Hi, Orange Girl here with an unboxing video for you today. I'm going to be unboxing the December Rainbow Main Kit from Clique Kits, and here we go. As usual, we're going to start with the papers. So I'll set these aside. And let's see what we got here. So let's start, we'll just start right here. So this is Fancy Pants On Our Way collection. This specific paper is called Navigator, a nice orange polka dot. And then you can see why it's called Navigator. So I'm assuming this is the front side. And this would be the B side, right? All right, so On Our Way. Now Boarding, this one's called. I could totally see cutting those out or using it as a background, of course. But look at that. I will totally use this as a background. It's a great gray. It looks like those could be roads if you wanted them to be traveling like a map. Okay. This is called Let's Ride. And then it has the two colors on the back. This has a whole bunch of airplanes, buses, cars, etc. This one, also same collection, called Travelog. I love this. This looks like a postcard. Some of those same motifs on it. My bags are packed. I like this simple card. I have a layout I'm going to use that on. I already know. And then this nice simple green color with, it's a nice check on the back. Ooh, look at that. I love this. This one's called Up for an Adventure. And just a blue on the back. Ooh, look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so this one's called Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. Nice rainbowy. And then it says trains, planes, and automobiles on the back. All right, so then those I think are all of the ones from the Fancy Pants collection. This is from Simple and Sweet, which is Pinkfresh Studio. And I have this paper already, and I have used several of these things. I've also seen it be used multiple ways as a background as well. Then this one is one of the Clique Kit exclusive. I love this edge here. This is designed by Lacey Gasper, and I hope I'm saying her name right, and it's called Connection. And here's this side. And look how well it goes with a lot of the rainbow in here. Oh, look, she's got hearts in 3 places there. That's awesome. And then this is Plaids and Dottie, Bella Boulevard. I've got it upside down. It would be much easier to read if I had it this way. Okay, I love this. I always love when there's black and white elements with a lot of color, just because, I don't know, I just like to scrapbook that way. I like to have like a kind of a black and white, mostly black and white, and then add pops of color. That's kind of fun. Okay, so those are the papers. And then here are the lovely things that go along with it. So this is also from the main kit. It's cheerful alphas. Here you go. Lots of colors here. And then this is from Savannah Dreams, Pretty Little Studio. A lot of rainbow of labels. I love me some labels. You can use them on so many different things. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open up this. I should have opened it when I wasn't on camera because now it makes a lot of noise. Bear with me. Okay, so first of all, I could totally use this as a card behind a photo. Couldn't you? Couldn't you totally use that? I love it when that works out. All right, so this ephemera, I can kind of show you this a little bit. Hopefully you can see that. But I'm going to go ahead and kind of lay them out here a little bit. So there are some, obviously there's some die cuts. I'm using that, that are related to travel, which makes sense, right? So, oh, let's just go ahead and pop that right out. There are, in this collection here, or in this die cut here sample here, there are a lot of words like that you could use as just little embellishments, but or as titles, some of them, and all the things that you might see if you went on a trip or if you were a tourist. There's arrows, there's cameras and wings. So I love, the thing probably that I love the most about this set, which I'd already looked at these kind of before we got them, I looked at them online, are the words and the colors, honestly, and all of these phrases that I think could very easily go in on either a layout or a like a 12 by 12 layout is what I meant, or they could go in a traveler's notebook very easily. The sizing of them is great. Several of these geotags, different colors, that's kind of nice. And then, so I don't know if I'll use like the buses in the car. I might. I'm just not a themey kind of person when I scrapbook very often, but I will still use a lot of these things because, and I hope to do like a series on my YouTube channel about ways that I can use things that I get either in kits or just, you know, like when you buy a collection also, it's the same sort of thing, that there's going to be things in there that you're not going to use in the ephemera pack, at least if you're me. And so these are my favorite. I love these. And so I would like to do a series about ways to use up those things, even though they're not your style, because there are lots of ways you can alter them and make them your style. So I should do a series on that. Oh, alpaca my bags. That's funny. See, now normally I wouldn't use this, but I have this perfect photo of my daughter, and we just went away for the weekend, and she really enjoys having a wheeled, what are these things called? Good Lord, suitcase. Anyway, so I totally see using this and maybe even this together with that paper that I showed you. All right, so all of this comes in the kit, and so does this. These are awesome. I love these. I can't describe them. They are fabric-y. Yeah, is that a word? Maybe not. Sunshine looks good on you. Grow together. Seek out the joy, which is perfect for me because if you've been following me on IG at all, you'll know that I often do a hashtag about choose joy or find joy or things like that, to try to cheer up my own self as well as anyone in my feed, looking for those little things that remind me of happy thoughts. So here we go. That's the kit for this month, the main kit. I cannot wait to get busy with this. You'll start to see some layouts with this soon on my channel, and actually later this week you will see a layout using a different kit that will go live on the CK YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and can't wait to see what you make with the kit.